सर, I do not have any qualm.
समय देंगे जब बिल पर डिबेट होगी।
नहीं सर, अगर ये एकदम सर बिंदु बिंदु पे सर,
हाँ
एकदम बिंदु बिंदु पे। I do not have any qualm to opine that this is a regressive legislation. It is nothing but a targeted legislation against the minority people of our country. Sir, in the year 1947, the date 22nd January, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had presented historic objectives resolution, which was adopted. And in the subsequent stages, the objectives resolution always act for the shaping of our constitution. And the ideal of the resolution was reflected in our constitution, which was later in the year 1976 got amended. And it was surmised and it was summarized into the aims and objects, which I can say that we, please listen to me, we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, secular, socialist, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity. In this Constituent Assembly, 26 November 1940, sir, please, आप डिस्टर्ब करेंगे तो कहाँ जाएंगे? सर, अगर आप डिस्टर्ब करोगे तो कहाँ जाएंगे? अरे गृहमंत्री जी, हमें रक्षा करो। That the preamble of the Constitution has engraved the basis of our democratic fabric, and any deviation from it would render any statutory enactment not only nugatory but also unconstitutional. Whether it is the Constitution that is expounded or the constitutional validity of statute that is considered a cardinal rule is to look to the preamble to the Constitution as the guiding light. The preamble embodies and expresses the hope and aspirations of the people. So Article 511 of the Constitution deals with the Citizenship, and Citizenship Act was thereafter drafted, keeping in mind the guidelines Act fixed and prescribed by the Constitution itself. The concept of citizenship cannot be read in isolation but has to be read extensively with the articles enunciated in our Constitution itself. Sir, कहाँ मैं बाहर बात करते हैं? The amendment goes against the essence of Article 5, 10, 14 and 15 of the Indian Constitution. Article 5 deals with the citizenship of the commencement of the Constitution, and Article 10 deals with the continuance of the rights of citizenship. The aforementioned articles define and protect the right of the citizenship of Indians, which is in serious threat if the said amendment is sought to be brought. Article 14 guarantees equality before law. Article 15 protects every person discrimination on the pretext of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, and any of them. Yes, Article 11, Amit Shahji, Article 11 of the Constitution further empowers the Parliament to legislate on citizenship, but it has to be borne in mind that the said legislation is subject to Article 13, which envisages an express bar to legislation inconsistent with the fundamental rights guaranteed under Part 3 of the Constitution. आप बोलिए, आइन मंत्री जी कहाँ गलत किया?